Hi everyone. Today we are learning something very important, which is indentation. Don't worry about the big word. Indentation simply means leaving some space in the beginning of a line. Think of it like writing notes in your notebook. Sometimes you start a line a little inside to show it belongs to a story or a paragraph. Python also needs the same thing. So coming to the main, what is indentation? Indentation means adding four spaces in front of a line. Why? To show Python that some lines belongs together. Let me show you a simple example. If true, print inside print outside. So here we have the spaces. So Python will think that this belongs to this block and this is a separate one. Think of it like packing your school bag. If you put a bag book inside the bag, it stays there. If you leave it outside, it stays outside. So indentation is similar, putting code inside your bag. So next question comes to your mind, why Python uses indentation? So other languages like Java or C uses curly braces like to show what code belongs inside. But Python wants to look clean and easy to read. So instead of braces, Python uses spaces. If the line has space, it belongs inside something. If it doesn't have space, it is outside. Simple. How many spaces? This is the next question will arise with you guys. Python uses exactly four spaces for indentation. If you are in the first line, just click tab. So your editor will insert four spaces. So coming to the another example, so I'm removing this and this is correct indentation. In some cases, what they people will do, see here, one space they will give and again tab they will give. And if I am giving save it and running this, it will run. But what it shows here, over indented. So if I'm going back and just put tab, so it is perfect now. Oh, again, space is there. One, see here, sharp 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there is no error. But if you put like this and if you just mention here, so it clearly shows over intended. So reformat the file, just click on it, it will reformat automatically. So this is what exactly the indentation. If it has too many spaces, it will show clearly it is over indented. So next we'll see about, we need to understand the code blocks. A code block means a group of lines that work together. Whenever you see a column at the end of the line, the next line must be go inside using 4 spaces. So we are defining, so we can give hello, again we can print it, welcome, and we can print it outside. So define, we need to give curly bracket. So here line 1, define greets ends with the colon. So next line must go inside with 4 lines, 4 spaces. So line 2 and 3 have spaces. They belongs to this define greet function. Line 4 as outside, which is outside the function. So I'm running this. So it shows it is not greeting and it is outside, it is showing. So if I delete it and again rerunning this one, in simple, indentation is showing which are friends and which are not friends. In simple. So this one we need to execute in different way. Yeah, as this is function, you need to call this and save it. Again run, so it will give 3. So first it given the outside command, and after that we are given greet. So it includes inside the greet hello welcome. So coming to the next part, so indentation with if else. So this also we need to know about in indentation. That's why we are covering this indentation with if else. In depth we will be seeing in upcoming videos. So we are going to see how indentation works with if else. So I am defining age equal to 15. Here no semicolon needed. If age greater than or equal to 18 and colon, so print you are an adult. Else print you are minor. You have to see from your end. So we are given age. So age will go inside this one and it will give the best output. So based on the 15, so we got first it went to this intention and next it went to this one, and it clearly shows you are minor based on the age we may entered. So if we change this, so you are an adult. So to explain this in a simple story, Imagine two rooms in a house. One room is if and other room is else. Each room's item must be arranged properly, same distance inside. So in this itself, so let me create another print. Wait. So I have created like this, and I am running this. Python will show indentation error, unexpected indented. So this is how the indentation works. And we are going to see indentation in for loops. For I in range length loop finished. I'm running this. So number 0, number 1, number 2. So we have given range which will be like n minus 1 over here. So if you are giving 3 and the range starts from not from 1, it will start from 0. Remember, the numbers always will start from 0 and the ending number will be always n minus 1. So over here we have given 3. So n minus 1 is equal to 2 and it will start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, the loop will be finished. So if I given 7, so n minus 1 will be a 6. So it will print till 6. Coming to the nested loops for I in range, just will give 2 and again for j in range 2 and we are giving this print under this which is nested loops. I am mentioning directly I comma j. So it will come here also 0 1 0 1. So it shows 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So it starts from I and it will come from 0 and j is 0, I is 0 and range j is 1 and again I comes to 1 and j comes to 0, 1 1 and 1. That is what here it is printed. So indentation inside the loops. So coming over here, so you will be using some spaces in urgent basis like print high. So indentation error will come. And one more thing, this also you will be doing if true here without space and we are running it. So this also unexpected expected an indented block after if statement. So we didn't given and we'll be using spaces with multiple tabs and spaces. So these are Python will get confused and gives indentation error. So To overcome this indentation error in future while you're writing fresh code for your purpose or for your practicing, so always make sure you write calmly and don't do even a silly mistakes. If it is indentation error, it simply tells that you have given a space. So to overcome, we'll see the best practices. Always use four spaces. Never mix tabs and spaces. Use VS Code and PyCharm. So in PyCharm, what we have a benefit is, so if you are giving here and this icon is there now, it will ask for reformat that file. So if you reformat this file and click S, sorry, this comes right. I and if you're not doing this and directly you're running it, and it will throw this indentation error. Okay, so use format document option, follow colon rule. So after colon, indentation blocks start. That's all about indentation. Now you know how Python understands which lines belongs together. Thank you.